Hello everyone, this is Sanya Jain, Verbal Faculty at Hidden and Renault. So welcome to this video, and in today's video we are going to discuss about essay writing tips. You must all feel that how can we improve our writing part? How can we go for the good vocabulary, good content, and we can get good bands? So, in today's video, I am going to help you out to write some good vocabulary in terms of using good connectors, which we also call as transition words. So, here we go. First, we need to understand that what are the transition words. Number one, these words maintain a connection between two sentences or paragraphs. Yes, you must have used the words like and, but, if. So these words are nothing but your transition words, which we also call it as connectors, conjunctions, linking words in the other form. So these words help us to connect our two sentences or two paragraphs, and these words are very simple, but in today's video my main part to tell you is how can we go for the better transition words. Number 2, to get a good band score a student must show coherence and cohesion. This is reflected in the use of transition words. That means with the help of good vocabulary, with the help of good transition words, we can get good bands also. These words ensure that your writing task has flow and structure. With the help of transition words, we can go for better writing tasks, and these words help us to make a flow in our content. Last but not least, furthermore, they also show a diverse lexical resource vocabulary range. This is also the part of your vocabulary. So, with the help of that, we can go for the diverse lexical range. Now, let's go to some words and let's see that the boring words we have always used and how can we go for the better words. Number one, we have used the word like but many times in our sentences, and we generally you must use it during your essay writing part as well in IELTS. So rather than that, you can go for the word which is however. With the help of however, you can increase the quality of your content. How? Let me tell you. For example, if I'm making a sentence, she loves coffee, but she does not drink it after 5 p.m. Go for the better sentence. You can say, she loves coffee, however, she doesn't drink it after 5 p.m. Now, did you see that we have increased the quality of your content just by changing one word? So, we can do this. Let's check out the next sentence as well. Okay, so when we write our essay part, we have to write the examples as well in our main body paragraphs. So rather than writing, for example, we can go for another word, which is for instance. Yes, rather than writing for example in both the paragraphs of our main body paragraph in essay, we can also write for instance. Let me tell you how we can make the sentence with for instance. If I have a very simple sentence like, I can play quite a few musical instruments, for example, the piano, the guitar, and so on. Mhm. Go for instance. How? I can play quite a few musical instruments, for instance, the guitar, the piano, and so on. Now, did you see? Without changing the meaning, we have made a better sentence with the help of by changing one word. Next, we have to write conclusion as well in our essay part. But rather than writing in conclusion, we can say that. We can also write to sum up, we can say that, and then we can continue our sentence. So here also we have changed one word, that is in conclusion, and we have gone to the next one, the better word, that is to sum up. And this is how we can end our essay part also. Next, many times we have to make the use of also in our paragraphs. So rather than using also, if you have used also once, you can go for the next, for the better word next time, which is furthermore. So how can you make a better sentence with furthermore? Suppose I am making a sentence, she always arrives on time, her work furthermore has always been excellent. See, I have changed it. I could use she always arrives on time. Her work also has always been excellent. A boring sentence because I used also. So don't do that. Go for furthermore. Last, we can go for the word, we generally go for the word after this. Don't go for after this. Go for the next step is. When you are changing the paragraph, go for the next step is, and then you can continue your sentence. For example, if I'm making a sentence, the next step is to send the invitations to the guest. See, I have made a good sentence. But if I use after this, we have to send the invitations to the guest. A boring sentence. So don't do this. Go for the words, the connectors, or the transition words which I have taught you today. I hope these words are going to be really helpful for you. If you like them or you need more words like them, please tell us in the comment section. Also, if you want to reach out to us, you can reach out with the help of the phone number or the email ID mentioned here. That's all for this particular video. Bye bye.